Take a peek at any well-made t-shirt and you'll probably see something stabilizing the shoulders. Why is that? Well, it's there because knits tend to stretch out at the shoulders over time. But it's really easy to put your own stabilizer in to make knit tops that last. A lot of people wonder what kinds of stabilizers are suitable for this job, and the answer is a lot of them are. It's really easy to get narrow elastic that's about a centimeter or 3/8 of an inch wide in black or white or clear. You can also try different kinds of stay tapes or a thin strip of knit interfacing or twill tape, also that comes narrow in lots of colors. To start, just baste the stabilizer to the wrong sides of the fronts at the shoulder seams. If you have a fusible product, you can just iron it on, but otherwise baste it using a long, wide zigzag. And be sure the stabilizer falls within the seam so that it doesn't get trimmed off later if you're using a serger to put your top together. Now you just sew the front and the back together at the shoulders the same way you would sew any other shoulder seam. You can use a 5/8 inch or a 1.5 centimeter seam allowance. And you can use a serger or a long, narrow zigzag stitch to put this seam together. Again, be sure to catch the stabilizer within the seam so it stays put. The stabilizer won't show from the outside because you sewed it to the wrong side of the fronts. But you'll know it's there and you'll appreciate it every time you wear your 2-hour dress or 2-hour top. Get the pattern for the 2-hour dress and top and other sewing patterns for mature figures at stylefalcon.net.